Okay, we are looking at comparing functions, and we're going to start off with looking at just linear functions. So this will be a review. So remember, when looking at linear functions, we've got two main points that we are looking at, and not points on the graph, but two main parts of our equation or our line that we're looking at. We're looking at the y-intercept and the slope. All right, so if we have a graph representation, you can find the y-intercept. This one is going to be at 3. Okay, and then to find the slope, you can find another point that crosses exactly at an integer x and y. So I've got that one, and then I'm going to count, go up 1, 2, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope, my y-intercept, is 3, and my slope, or my m, is going to be 2 over 5. Okay, so I've got 2/5. This is also a linear equation, all right, in table form. So find my y-intercept. Well, it's where x is 0, so my y-intercept for this one is going to be -2. And my slope, for every time I increase 2 for x, I am increasing 1 for y. So that is a 1 over 2 slope. No? There we go. 1 over 2, or 1/2 slope. And so to compare those, I would say, the graph has a greater y-intercept, and it has a smaller slope, so a shallower slope, which means that this line, even though it starts lower, will eventually become greater as we increase our x value. And that's all you're doing with comparing linear equations.